Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how to clear your Snapchat cache to fix lag. So first open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon. Next tap the gear icon to open settings. Then scroll down until you find the clear cache option. Then tap it and confirm that you want to clear the cached data. Clearing cache won't delete your account, save memories or your conversation. Once the cache has been cleared, close Snapchat completely and then reopen it. And you should notice improved performance if the lag was caused by temporary cached data. So that was how to clear Snapchat's cache and fix lag. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.